Bob's Red Mill is one of the greatest names in high-quality foods. True to their mission, it was important to put people first and to inspire joy through wholesome food. So how could Bob's Red Mill make these great foods more accessible to anyone and everyone? They turned to Forix to devise new ways to increase engagement and generate more traffic to retailers that carry their products. Forix worked with their marketing team to create a beautiful recipe library. These recipes can be further refined by filters like dietary needs, prep time, occasions, and much more. To drive more activity to brick-and-mortar retailers, the product catalog also incorporates a store finder, helping customers find specific products in their own neighborhoods. This was designed to create great options for foodies, shoppers, and retailers alike. Bob's Red Mill continues to grow in popularity and sells over 400 products worldwide. Like many outstanding brands, Bob's trusts Forix to carry on the wonderful experience their customers have come to expect.